Hey everybody, Dr. Dave Marquis here with a quick message about something that I'm seeing more of in the practice right now that is raising some concern that I want you to be aware of, and that's people not quite feeling right up here and falling. I'm seeing a lot of people that just are feeling unstable, and sometimes they're not actually recognizing it until it's too late and they've actually fallen. I've had a number of patients show up where their face is black and blue, where they didn't just stumble, they just went down for the count and hit their face, some of them injuring teeth, most of them injuring some of the facial bones, getting concussions. It's not a stretch for you to find evidence of this where notable individuals in the media are falling as well, and some of them sadly dying, hitting their head and dying, and perhaps they stroked beforehand and fell. I don't know. Ask among your friends. I bet that you're going to find that more people right now are experiencing this than you're aware of. One of the reasons I think that we're seeing this is because of increased inflammation in the brain, whether that be vascular or viral. It could be autoimmune, could be a complement of those things. Hard to say until you sit down and actually do labs with that individual. But I think that we all need to be aware of that, because falls are no joke. It can be life-ending. It can be a major setback for an individual if they get a concussion, and they could hurt secondary body parts, hips, shoulders, wrists, so forth. What I'm encouraging people to do is, as a blanket policy, recognize that we all are experiencing more viral activity right now than we ever have in our lives. Sadly, some of it is synthetic viral activity that is throwing a monkey wrench into how our immune systems would normally respond. Doubly sadly, some people have made potentially permanent changes to their immune system and its response. And we're seeing more of that right now. So what I encourage people to do is be proactive and do the things that we know that can improve, or I should rephrase that, reduce inflammation systemically, things that can keep our blood flow as consistent and fluid as possible, and things that can help to dial down the inflammatory response of our immune system. I have toolkits for this purpose that I've built for patients to use, and it's all available on my website. If you want to investigate that more, you can go to the website, pathwaystohealth.net, DrDave'sHeadSpace.com. I would encourage people to become aware of the fact that we're now going into the fall, which is probably going to breed more opportunity for people to experience viruses. And if your immune systems and your circulatory system aren't like knocking it out of the park, then you're going into that at a deficit. So now is the time to prepare yourself and be cognizant of the fact that this is a real issue. And many people are being damaged in ways that most doctors really aren't understanding. And there's not a lot of solutions out there. So I'm providing one resource that may be a solution for you and your family. I hope that's helpful, and I really do want people to be well. So have a great day.